different tools of Photoshop. Please subscribe my channel before that. I'm sorry today my voice is down. Sorry for that one. Let's go to one by one. Here, this is the selection. Sorry, this is the move tools. You can see here how the images are being moved. Here, it moves a selection or layer. Okay, let's open one picture first and have a look how it works. Okay, file, open. Let's open the one picture. For example, let's open this one. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is the picture, and this is the layers. And with the help of blue tool, it said that it moves either a selection or layer. If I click like this, convert to normal layer. Yeah, it moves from here to here. You can see that whole the layer images has been moved. Or if you want to move the part of the selection, Control Z to go back to the original position. If you move the part of the selection, you need to do select first. I have a tool called Quick Selection tool. Click here. These tools, just keep clicking and selecting. This is the Quick Selection tool. Here, and with this move tool, you can move this part. You can see that it is moved to the selected person. This is how the move tool works. Let's go to another tool called Marquee tool. It has rectangular marquee tool, it has elliptical marquee tool, it has single row marquee tools, and single column marquee tool. What is the rectangular marquee tool? Control D first, Control D to deselect this one, and Control Z back to the original image. Now here, let's do one minute. This rectangular marquee tool is selected to the rectangular like this. If you choose the elliptical marquee tool, it goes in the circle. Like if you go into the single row marquee tool, it select like this single row, and the single column marquee tool is go vertical direction. This is the single column marquee tool. Control D for deselect the things. Now let's go to the other tool. The number 3 tool is Polygon Lasso tool. It also have Lasso tool, Polygon Lasso tool, and Magnetic Lasso tool. What is the Lasso tool? How it works? Let's see. If you choose the Lasso tool, you can go like this. Select the person. This is Lasso tool, and you have to end when you start it. This goes Lasso. Control D to deselect again. Now go to Polygon Lasso tool. See the difference between the polygon and start clicking, because it's go like a straight. So you whenever you click, you have to clicking to do the selection of the right objects. Yeah, like this. This is called Polygon Lasso tool, and you have to end when you start it. Control D to deselect again. Now with the Magnetic Lasso tool, let us start how the Magnetic Lasso tool. You can see that it has been keeps selecting the objects. You just have a one starting point, and then without clicking, just to move your mouse around the object, and it will have a selection. See, this is called Magnetic Lasso tool. Control D to deselect again. for the rest of the tools we learn in the next chapter or next lesson. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.